Okay, so do you know what is our topic today? Or have you checked Google Classroom? What's our topic today? Raise your hand or just say something. Yes, Priska?
Asking for opinion, Miss.
Asking for opinion. Okay, a little bit more. One more point before after asking. There is one more point.
Asking and giving opinions.
That's it. Asking and giving for opinion. Okay. So I assume that you have checked Google Classroom, yeah, whether you watch the video or not. Okay. So let's see later. But now I'd like to invite you to play a game. Yeah. Let me share the screen for a while. Guys, once again, I'm so sorry if there is some noisy here. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, Miss.
Okay,
Yes, Miss.
thank you. Okay, hopefully it's run well, yeah. Wait, okay. So now this is actually inspired by the game, the manual game that I have played with my private students. So the children, yeah, young learners nowadays are really creative. They always ask me to give a new game, or either they also give the new game for me. So I just know this game from my students. But last time I played this kind of game like manually. We draw the logo manually. Jadi kayak anak-anak itu mereka gambar, bener-bener gambar di kertas, and then we are expecting to guess what logo is that. But luckily, last night, I found this game. So let's try. Let's try this one. Okay. Kalian pasti tahu lah ya, ini logo apa ya. You must know this logo, right? What logo is this?
Chat time is.
Chat time? Salah server, Kak.
Enggak. Starbucks.
Who are enjoying having coffee or having drink in Starbucks? Raise your hand.
No.
Starbucks.
No,
Siapa tim
freaking
Starbucks?
way.
Siapa tim Starbucks? Nggak ada?
Sometimes I prefer chat time.
Oh, you prefer chat time. Okay. Why? Why do you prefer chat time? Chat time.
I don't know, because their minuman mereka lebih segar daripada Starbucks. Kalau Starbucks lebih ke creamy gitu mereka.
Oh, good observation. I don't even know. Miss nggak nyadar. I don't even realize that. What is that? Chat time has more fresh drinks rather than Starbucks. Maybe because Starbucks the marketing of Starbucks is like more coffee, like, and also creamy blend, kayak creamy minuman gitu ya, minuman creamy gitu ya. Okay then. So let's start. Oh, okay. So I need you to maybe just say it directly ya. Say it directly. Which logo is which? Okay. We're gonna start from this one. The first 10 logo. Okay. We can start from now. This one, of course, Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Yeah. I will type it for you. Okay, and then how about this one?
Microsoft.
Yeah.
Microsoft.
Okay, this one you must know, guys.
Google.
Of course. YouTube. How about this one? One of the
Micet,
sessions.
Micet.
Chat.
Snapchat.
Snapchat. Okay.
Micet.
WeChat.
Micet.
How about this one? Anybody know? Actually, this is like a censored logo. Jadi kalau misalnya logonya tuh dibuat full, ketahuan. As well
Apa
as
tuh
this
Mitra
one.
10?
Skip.
Skip deh itu, Miss.
Okay, let's move to this one.
Lego.
Lego. Okay. One of the white Lego. One of our favorite toy. How about this one? The one that looks like sun.
Hari.
Ayo, what's that?
Tahu udah di ujung
Nggak tahu.
lidah, Miss, tapi nggak keluar.
Apa
deh.
Tante?
Ayo. This is one of the shopping center. Kayak nama supermarket gitu.
Supermarket.
Sorry? Can you type
Walmart.
it? Can you type it in chat
Is it-
box? Coba type di chat box dulu. Almost, tapi tulisannya masih kurang tepat.
Yang satu.
Oh,
L-nya
Iya,
satu
iya,
aja
iya.
nih kayaknya.
L-nya
I think
satu.
yes, one L. Walmart. Okay, how about this one?
Toyota.
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 Okay, how about this one?
Xbox.
Xbox. Why only the boy mostly answer?
I have one at home, Miss.
How about this one? Ayo, the girls.
Playboy.
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 How do you
Siap.
know? How do you know?
Ini malah yang cowok yang lebih tahu, Miss.
Ya makanya, that's why.
Kan emang brand cowok soalnya itu.
Oke, nanti kita gini ya.
Playboy.
Nanti kita tambah gini ya. Iya, Playboy. Kita tambah another round ya. Oke, this one. Ayo, girls power.
Burger King.
Burger King.
Oke, coba sekarang yang boys keep silent dulu ya. Burger King. Oke. This one, girls.
Twitter.
Jadi ngegas kan Miss Ayu. Twitter. Next, this one.
Puma.
Puma. This one. This is not really familiar actually. Just skip this one first ya. Skip aja dulu. This one then.
Mozilla Firefox.
Okay, good job. Is that correct? Let's see. Oh, just Firefox. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one, guys. Gucci. Good. Thank you, Leah. Branded. This one, music.
Spotify.
Oh, sorry, I clicked accidentally. I'm so sorry, guys. Sorry. Ya udahlah, spoiler. Spotify, and then
Baru mau bilang Beats by Dr. Dre.
AT&T, and then Skoda Auto, and this one Nestle.
By Snoop Dogg.
Snoop Dogg. Yeah. So
Ngawur wes Snoop Dogg.
okay. So yeah, that's all. Yeah. Should we have another round? What do you think?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, then one more round. Yeah. So that's all about our game. Yeah, we gonna have another game at the last session. Okay, the last session. But now let's back to the lesson. Anyway, anyhow, have you watched the video? Or maybe do you have any idea how to express asking and giving opinion? Or maybe let's have a practice. So anyone want to ask me something? So maybe you want to know about my opinion or something. Let's have first.
Impression tuh masuk opinion ya, Miss ya?
Impression, yep.
Oh, saya coba, Miss.
Okay.
What's your impression about me, Miss?
My first impression or just impression?
Your first impression and what do you think about me right now?
Oh, okay. Thank you for the question. So my first impression, I think you are quite active, and then by the time goes, I can see that this is my assumption. Okay, this is my impression. You are talk active. Do you know what talk active means? Talk active. I gonna
Banyak bacot ya, Miss ya?
kasarnya gitu, ya kasarnya. But basically it's not banyak bacot, but cerewet, like aktif, suka ngobrol, komunikatif. That's all. Maybe I need to know you more in personal. But so far, that's my impression. Okay. Now I'd like to ask another. Okay. Get ready. Gayatri, are you here? Aduh, Gayatri lagi ditunjuk. Gayatri, are you here? Hello? Okay, then maybe Maharani? Are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Maharani. I have a question for you. Which one do you
Yes.
prefer? McD or KFC? And why? Kenapa? Or is
KFC
that
sih, Miss.
KFC? Okay, why? Tetangga sebelah.
Because
Why?
always buy to di KFC daripada McD.
Oh, you mostly
Terus kan kalau McD itu kan ada di Badung. Kalau KFC itu ada di daerah deket saya di Gianyar. Di Gianyar
oh, yeah, I see. So, closer from your place. That's why you prefer KFC.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Maharani. Maharani, by the way, you can ask another friend about
No.
anything. You don't want? You don't want to ask? But you need to. You need to ask the other friends.
Tata, Miss.
Tata, okay. Share your question. Hi, Tata. Are you here?
Hello, Miss.
Okay, Maharani, you can ask anything to Tata. Asking opinion.
What do you drink?
Sorry, can you repeat your question? What do you?
What do you think about Coca-Cola?
Oh, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola or any soft drink maybe, ya?
Yes.
Or just Coca-Cola, do you mean? So, Tata, what do you think about Coca-Cola?
Soft drink.
Soft drinks, okay. What do you think about soft drinks?
Soft drinknya tuh bisa Coca-Cola selain itu gitu? Atau emang yang bersoda lagi?
soft drink itu any kind of soda. Jadi bisa Coca-Cola dan teman-temannya. What do you think? Hello, Tata. Are you still there?
I think I don't really like soda.
Oh, you don't really like soft drink?
Yes.
Ah, I see. So what kind of drink do you like?
It's chat times.
Chat time. Oh, Tata grup gini ya. Tim chat time ya. Oke, I see. What is your favorite drink in chat time, by the way? Like your most like one.
Matcha tea latte with pudding.
Wow, matcha tea latte. Is it good?
Yes, miss.
Oh,
You
okay.
must try.
I never tried actually for matcha. For chat time, so far I just tried like milk tea and mostly my milk tea sih.
Hazelnut
Okay.
chocolate milk tea, miss.
Oh, hazelnut chocolate milk tea. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, thank you, Tata. Okay, so once again, you can ask your friend before we move to our another material. Ask anyone.
Me, miss?
Yes.
I want to ask Widiantari.
Okay, good. Widiantari, are you here?
Yes, miss.
Okay, get ready. Okay, Tata, you may ask questions.
Gacoan.
Sorry, Tata, I just hear like gacuan. Can you repeat once again?
Pardon me, miss?
Hello, Tata, can you repeat your question?
Oh, would you like kober or gacuan?
Oh, okay. So what do you think, Widya? What's your opinion?
I prefer to cover with.
Kober, why?
I don't know. I just like cover.
For the noodle or for the dim sum? They have same signature actually, right? Noodle and dim sum, right? Like copying to each other. So which one is the best from Kober from you? Noodle or the dim sum?
For me, I think I like in the noodle.
The noodle. Okay.
Yeah.
So okay. Thank you, Vidya and Tata. Great.
Thank you, miss.
So let's have a quick survey, okay? Can you see any emoticon in your reaction part? Yeah, like clap hands, thumbs up, like laughing, shocking. Okay, good. Thank you, Budi. So, yep. So, if you are Tim Kober, ya, Kober, I need you to show me or give me apa ini, trompet ya? Is it trumpet? Tada, oh tada, namanya tada. Yang ini, this one. Ya, if you are Kober. But if you are Gacuan team, I need you to clap your hand. Clap. So let's see. Okay, Intan Gacuan. Just now Nanda, Budi, Obi, Kober. How about the others? Oh, sorry. Oh, Budi Gacoan, ganti Ratna. Oke, Ardiana, thank you. Widya, Dinda, Intan, again. Lia, oke. Oh, 50-50 ya. I see here. Aditya, what's your emoticon means? Gak suka semuanya. You show me this one just now. This one. What does it mean?
Salah pencet, Miss.
Oh, kepencet. Oke, then. Thank you everyone. Jadi kayaknya as I see here, you are divided into like 2 groups. Yeah. Almost equal, but I think most of you choose Kober. Karena tadi lebih banyak kayak fireworks, tada, something like that. Okay, thank you. Now let's move to our main agenda. Once again, I'd like to ask, have you watched the video? Have you?
Belum, Miss.
Belum. Okay, that's fine. Okay then. So I need you to watch again after this session, okay? So to make it short, okay, let's have a discussion. So as we have practiced it actually just now, like what do you like? Do you choose A or B? Do you choose Kober or Gacoan? Do you choose or do you like MACD or CAPS and so on? So this is the pattern or the expression that you can use for asking the opinion. Yeah, so as you can read here, can you read it well? Is it clear?
Clear, Miss.
Okay, thank you.
Clear, Miss.
Okay, let me repeat that. We don't need the definition. You know already. Okay. Okay, so as we can see, there are some of expression that we can use, especially for informal interaction. Do you familiar with this one, guys? Oh, sorry. This one, reckon. Do you familiar with this phrase, this word? Reckon. Pernah tahu?
Kayaknya itu British.
Kayaknya apa? Sorry Dina, can you repeat once again?
Kayaknya orang British banyak pakai itu.
That's it. Yeah. So if you want to know and want to explore more about these phrases, yeah, Dinda just right, and also the other, yeah, British people really into this expression. Yeah. So please watch the video again later on. Yeah. That's my challenge for you. Okay. And then I need you to tell what reckon means and what reckon for in WhatsApp group later on. Okay. Especially in video ada namanya English with Lucy. Yeah. This one. I really recommend that channel. Okay, so that's the name of the channel. But actually, I have put it in Google Classroom as well, especially for asking and giving my opinion. Okay, and then the rest just fine. What do you think? How do you think? How do you feel? Do you have opinion of? Or what is your opinion? What is your idea? Okay, Any questions so far? About asking. Part 1-nya asking. Any questions so far? So far, so clear? Check. Is my voice clear? Okay, thank you for responding. Okay, next. Okay, so the next part, since somebody asks, automatically we need to give our opinion. See, reckon again, reckon. Okay, yep. So as you can read here, there are a lot and more than this actually, but my team, my teaching team compile and make a short summary about how to give opinion. It's taken also from all the videos. So I think this is really basic. This is really basic response or expression that you can use. I think, atau personally I think, but actually there are so many alternative way to say I think. So you can find also another video which explain about how to say I think. Jadi biar nggak I think. Jadi if you share your opinion more than one time and then you keep on saying I think, that means that kind of boring, right? Jadi kayak agak membosankan itu kan kalau bilang oh ya I think bla 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 terus I think bla bla bla. So in order to make the conversation and your vocabulary more variable, more various, you can say another thing, okay? Or in my opinion, in my humble opinion, from my point of view, in my mind, and then I believe that, biasanya diikuti dengan that. As for me, as far as I'm concerned, or one of my favorite phrase is as far as I know. That's the most simple one. As far as I know, as far as I remember, something like that. And to be honest, do you know another expression which not put here, or maybe one of two of your favorite expression in giving opinion? Anyone have an idea? Anyone want to share? Beside this ya, selain yang tertera di sini. Anyone?
I believe.
I believe, okay.
Atau enggak, it seems to me that.
Sorry, it seems to me that. Is it? Okay. Thank you, Dinda. Yep, that's right. That's great. I believe. Yeah, I believe. So you don't need to say strongly. Yeah, this strongly can imply that you want to give more strong opinion. Kayak I strongly believe gitu. Jadi kayak aku bener-bener yakin kalau gitu kalau bahasa Indonesia-nya. But in Dinda's case, kalau yang dijelasin Dinda barusan, I believe, so ya kayaknya sih aku yakinnya kayak gini, atau aku yakinnya kayak gini, something like that. Any other opinion? Any other example? To be honest, or which one you most used? Mana yang teman-teman paling sering pakai? in your conversation, in your daily conversation, in your English practice? Which one do you use the most?
Emo, Miss.
Imo, in my opinion. Okay.
Yes.
What else?
You know it's not the same.
Fasti, are you here? Hello, Fasti.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. I'd like to ask, which expression do you use the most to give opinion? You can mention one of these here, or maybe your own expression, which is not included here. I think, or I believe, or same. Okay, yes.
In my opinion, Miss.
In my opinion, so same with Obi, Imo. Singkatannya Imo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Pasti. How
Yes,
about, wait. Wait, first, Dewi Cahyani?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Which expression do you use the most? Yang paling sering Dewi Cahyani pakai?
Imo, Miss.
Sama, Imo juga. I know. Okay. So I can conclude that maybe most of you like to use Imo because it sounds more trendy. Ya, kayak gaul aja gitu. Imo gitu. Kayak, do you know what does it mean? This one, yeah, I gonna type it in chat box. Do you know what does it mean? Cimiwiw? Cimiwiw?
Correct me if I'm wrong.
If I'm wrong.
That's it. Yeah. There are a lot of shortened expressions gitu. Jadi kayak mau bilang in my opinion aja jadi Imo. Terus kayak thank you aja jadi thanks, THX atau TX. Jadi kayak bahasa gaul. So it's you can use it as your research actually. Mungkin nanti skripsi ada yang tertarik menganalisa perkembangan bahasa gaul gitu, or the form of Jaksel language gitu, maybe some or Balinese English perhaps. You can use that for your research later on. Even though you are still in the second semester, tapi teman-teman sudah boleh memikirkan topik loh, for real. Yeah. So, any questions so far? About asking before we discuss about asking, and then this time we are discussing about giving opinion. Do you have any question before we move to the practice? Is it clear so far?
Yes, Miss. It's clear.
Yes,
It's clear. Thank you. So I gonna stop sharing now. All right. So wait a moment, please. Okay. So after this, I will divide you into some breakout room Ya, jadi kayak nanti kita akan ada di random breakout room gitu. Teman-teman akan dipisah-pisah jadi beberapa anggota. And then in their breakout room, I need you to discuss a topic. Ya, discuss a topic. For example, ya. So you cannot use this topic again, ya. For example, my topic is about not most. Many people like to eat fast food. Ya, once again. Many people like to eat fast food. Jadi kayak semakin hari semakin banyak orang-orang yang makan fast food. Okay, so you need to keep your topic. Ya, keep your topic in your group. Okay, and then I need you to discuss that whether you are agree or disagree with that statement. That's my topic. Okay, and you later on I need you to decide one topic. Yeah, I give you like 5 minutes to discuss later on. After 5 minutes, let's go back to this main room. Go back to this main room, and then one of your group presentation need to share your topic and ask the other friend's opinion. Okay, is it clear? Is my instruction clear?
Berarti topiknya kita sendiri kan yang gini, Misalnya?
Yes, you decide your topic.
Oke.
Okay, my topic, yeah, we gonna start the discussion with my topic. Okay, remember my topic is many people prefer to eat or choose to eat fast food. Okay, I need you to think your opinion and give your response later on. Okay, so let's make the breakout room. How many of you here? 20, wait. Excluding me. Okay. 26. Okay then. Okay, so there will be 3 until 4 people in each room. Okay, please go to the room. Room 1, room 2, room 3. Take your time, everyone. Hello guys. Please take your time to discuss your topic, okay? Okay.
Berarti. Nah, gimana bilangnya? Ini ada Miss Ayu.
It's okay, take your time. Anggap aja Miss nggak ada.
Kita nanya lebih suka film horor apa kayak gitu nggak sih?
Oh, so your topic gonna be about horror movie.
About movies.
Movie.
Miss.
Movie. Okay, good topic.
Miss Intan mau nanya, Miss. Intan mau nanya.
Ya,
Jadi
ya.
misalkan apa namanya kan Miss bilang kita tentuin topik dulu.
Mhm.
Terus habis nentuin topik misalkan tentang horror movies gitu kan, Miss.
Mhm.
Atau enggak perbandingan boleh nggak sih, Miss, kayak which prefer ke film horor atau film romantis kayak gitu misalkan topiknya kan, Miss.
Boleh,
kan, Miss?
boleh.
Nah, misalkan topiknya kayak gitu. Terus nanti kita nanyanya gimana, Miss?
So which one will be your topic? Just asking about your favorite movie or choosing? Which one do you prefer, horror or romantic?
Choosing.
Kitanya choosing
Choosing,
nih.
Miss.
Oke. Ya
Ya.
udah.
Ya.
So, hi guys. Our topic is about movies. So, which one do you prefer? Kayak gitu. Or which one do you
Which genre
like
do you
more?
like kayak gitu, Miss?
Boleh. Can be good. Gitu. Okay. Any other
Oh,
question?
nanti kita nanyanya ke siapa, Miss?
Everybody.
Oh, aku Intan kira ke gini, Miss.
Karena gini, kelemahannya breakout room di sini ini dia tuh kayak nanti ketika udah balik ke normal, ya udah list grupnya udah nggak ada lagi. Jadi Miss Ayu pun juga kayaknya nggak bisa nginget semua ke apa namanya, siapa aja gitu, siapa grup 1, grup 2 tuh
Siapa
nggak
aja
bisa
di
ketemu
kelompok
lagi.
itu.
Itu kelemahannya di sini. Gitu. Oke.
Oke, berarti nanti kita
deh.
nanyanya ke teman-teman yang di Zoom, Miss, ya.
That's it. Okay,
Oke.
ready ya?
Oke.
Yeah, if you're ready, you can leave this room. Good job,
Oke.
everyone.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Welcome. So, guys, have you decided your topic before I ask the other two back here? Windia, have you decided your topic? Your group's topic, I mean?
In my group, Kobe and Dwi Sugiarta is already talking about the topic, Miss. But
Okay.
I can't hear it clearly because it's a little bit cut off.
Yeah,
It was
your
a little bit
voice.
cut
I don't know what happened there, but your voice sounds really small, kayak kecil banget gitu loh. Are you okay there?
I was okay, Miss, but I don't know what's happening with my laptop, and the connection is very unstable right now.
Oh, it's more clear now. Lebih jelas sekarang.
Oh my God, so it's the connection, Miss.
I think so, yeah. That's
But
fine,
Dwi
Acha.
Sugiarta and Kobe already discussed about it.
Okay, so I'm looking for your interesting topic. Thank you, Acha.
You're welcome.
Pak Hari.
Oh iya sih, tapi kan berarti kita pakai di berbagai kalangan usia.
Ya.
Boleh sih.
Hello, guys.
Halo, Miss. Miss.
I'm so sorry ya, Miss nyelinap. So, what's your topic, by the way?
K-pop.
It's about K-pop.
Bob K-pop.
K-pop?
Yep.
Yes.
Blackpink?
No, it's all almost
Oh, K-pop.
group dan K-pop.
Okay. Good topic. Really happening ya. Jadi kayak there are more people yang I'm not saying that only teenager or only another age, but yeah, most of the people kind of like listening K-pop nowadays, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good topic actually. So, are you ready, guys? If you're ready, you can leave. Yeah, I'm leaving now.
Yeah.
You there? Okay. Gitu kan? Okay, welcome back. So, are you ready, guys?
I'm ready, Mr. Crab.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. So, okay.
Aku siap, aku siap.
Hopefully we have enough time today, because I have planning that we can maximize this discussion section so that you don't need to make assignment. Do you agree with that?
Yes, yes, yes,
If you agree, say yes in chat box.
yes,
Yes, yes, yes, yes, yes, yes, yes, yes, yes.
yes, yes, yes,
So,
yes.
okay, yes banget, sangat yes. Oh, okay.
Bisa turu, bisa nonton Jujutsu.
Okay, so let's start. Yeah, actually I don't remember in which room you are before karena breakout room itu konsepnya kayak kalau udah di breakout dia kayak nggak ke record gitu. Okay, but I have visited some of your rooms just now, jadi kayak this mobiling gitu, moving from one room to another room. So I still remember your topics, which is really interesting and really happening, really trendy, kayak music, movie, something like that. So, okay. So this is will be your big chance to get point in today's session. Since we don't have any assignment, so I need you to show your biggest potential and your chance to speak as many as possible. Okay? Ya, karena kesempatan kalian dapat nilai di session ini hanya saat ini. Ya, okay? So, if you are ready, who wants to share the question first? Oh, sorry, it must be me, right? About fast food, right?
Yes.
Ya kan tadi Miss bilang akan dimulai dengan sesinya Miss kan? Okay then. So, let's discuss about my topic. So, just now I asked you to share your opinion about many people eating fast food. What do you think? If you are ready or if you want to say something about that, raise your hand. Use raise hand feature so I can choose you. Many people eating fast food. Okay, Obi first. Okay, Obi, what do you think?
I don't really agree about that because especially in Bali, and in Bali lah. In Bali, people will prefer like buying something that more cheap, and there is also a lot of merchants on the road like nasi goreng, especially like nasi jinggo, and people here, at least on my circle, prefer something like that more than fast food like KFC or McD, because street food is a lot cheaper and also a lot healthier. Kok happier? Healthier than, yes.
Okay. So your point is okay. So in your opinion, let me conclude your opinion. So in your opinion, in your point of view, you choose street food rather than fast food because it's more healthier.
Yes.
How
It's
about maybe
healthier,
Cahyani?
cheaper, and banyak pilihannya.
Okay, more options. Okay, more options. Dewi Cahyani, do you want to say something just now? I saw that you opened your mic.
In my
Hello?
opinions, because of things that make people choose to eat something easy to make meals, like a noodle or other fast food.
Oh, so yeah, actually fast food, sorry. Fast food is not only about like the KFC or another junk food. Yeah, that can be also categorized as junk food also. Yeah, but Cahyani just right. Fast food also can be categorized like instant noodle, instant and another instant food. Itu juga bisa dikategorikan sebagai fast food. So Cahyani just now give us more information that yeah, nowadays the people prefer to eat or to consume fast food like noodle, meatball, sausage. Itu juga fast food loh. Sausage. Kayak sosis yang tinggal goreng atau bahkan sosis yang tinggal hap. I like that one. Yeah, itu lagi happening. Okay, thank you Obi and Cahyani. Any other opinion? One more maybe. While I'm recapping your opinion just now. Jadi Miss catat bahwa semua yang teman-teman bilang di sini. So, any other opinion or anyone to add something?
Mimis.
Okay, Dinda.
To me, why people start to eat junk food? Maybe because like me, I don't know how to cook a proper meal, so I use an instant way to buy food or fast food in near my place, such as what? Oh, Aceka, like Aceka.
Aceka, okay, another style of McD and KFC, like the cheaper version.
Yes. So my point is maybe because we don't know how to cook a proper meal, so we prefer to buy fast food.
Okay, thank you Dinda. Good point. Actually, in this section there is no right or wrong ya, because we just share our opinion. Jadi Miss tidak akan salahkan, gak ada pendapat yang salah, gak ada yang harus oh pendapat saya paling benar nih, enggak. So we need to broaden our point of view ya. Kayak ini just about junk food. We talk about junk food, but we got so many point of view. Somebody says I prefer street food, Miss, rather than fast food. I mean street food like nasi goreng, mie goreng, bakso, maybe because that's cheaper. And then the other friends say that fast food is not only McD or KFC, miss. Fast food is also turned into noodle, instant noodle, and any another instant food. And then the last one, Dinda said that why people choose to consume or to eat fast food more often, because just like Dinda, she doesn't know how to cook in proper way. Jadi kayak masak nasi bisa nggak, Dinda? Can you cook rice?
Bisa, Miss.
Bisa. Pakai magic jar.
Iya.
Oh, yang manual bisa ya?
Masak lauk itu nggak bisa saya.
Oh, especially for lauk ya, for the side dish gitu ya, kayak side dishnya kayak ikan, ayam, kayak gitu mungkin ya. So that's why Dinda personally choose to buy fast food. Jadi biar cepet gitu, like ACK and the others. Okay, easy right? Our session today is so easy, right? What do you think? Just like that. Okay, so that's all for the first topic. Next, I will open another discussion session for the others. For whoever who ready to share your topic, time is yours. Perwakilan kelompok aja. Okay, time is yours. We're gonna have 20 more minutes.
Saya, Miss.
I think
Kelompok satu.
Okay, who are your members?
Acha and Dwi Sugiarta.
Okay, maybe Acha or Dwi ya. Can you share your topic, because Obi already share your point of view just now, right, Obi? So let's give another chance.
Okay.
Ya, semua dapat nilai ya. Oke, Dwi Sugiarta.
Dwi yang tadi.
Ayo
So.
apa?
Okay. So which
Ingat kan?
come? Yeah. So which come first, eggs or chicken?
Mantap yang itu dikeluarin.
Terus yang mana, Cuk?
Oke.
Nice.
Udah fix tuh? Is that fix? Is that fix?
Yes, Miss.
Okay then.
That's it.
Guys, share your opinion or point of view. Which one comes first, or which one is produced first, egg or chicken? Ini kayak apa ya? How to say, kayak memperdebatkan bumi itu gimana, atau siapa yang lahir duluan? Oke.
We are actually debating that topic on the breakout rooms. Both me and Dwi Sugiarta.
Okay, but in the end, your group choose that question. Okay, that's fine. No worries. Come on, guys.
I'm actually have another question.
So which one do you want to choose then? The first one or the new one? Let's make it quick.
I think the first one.
Yang ini,
Yeah,
yang
the first one.
egg or chicken.
Yeah.
Udah fix ya? Oke, I lock your topic. Oke, thank you. So, ayo guys, egg or chicken? Seems that you need to think really, really hard for this topic, including me. Come on. Time is running. Come on, TikTok, 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 TikTok. I give you I give you 1 more minute to think ya. 1 menit lagi.
It's so hard, Miss.
Sorry, Ardiana, what do you say?
It is so hard.
So hard. Or should we keep this question? Kita keep dulu, ya. Kita keep dulu. But
Tapi ini bakal terbayang-bayang sampai nanti sih, Miss.
iya, nanti kalian nggak bisa tidur loh kalau kalian nggak jawab loh. Terbawa mimpi nanti loh, gimana dong? Oke.
Tapi bingung, Miss, mau jawabnya tuh gimana.
Okay, so I need your I give you time to think about it. Okay, nanti teman-teman bisa okay, let's make like this. You can share your opinion later on in WhatsApp group by using voice note. Yeah, it's just for this question. Okay, tapi teman-teman harus share. Miss tetap record. Okay, ya. Okay. So to make it more efficient, let's move to another group then, ya. Skamat semua dibuat sama grupnya Obi dan Sugiarta. Good job. Okay, let's move to the other group. Ya, we keep this question.
Saya ada pernah jawaban ilmiahnya tuh, Miss. Gara-gara tadi dikasih tahu sama Dwi Sugiarta dapat saya.
Ah, okay.
Jawabannya udah ada.
Yeah, can you share with me later on, guys?
Di PC Miss ya, tak kirim.
PC ya. Okay. I want to cross check my understanding as well. Okay then. Yep. Okay, next question please, next group. We still have 15 more minutes. Ayo. Kalau nggak,
Intan.
Okay. Go Intan, go.
Jadi topiknya itu tentang movies. Which one do you prefer, horror or romance movies?
Okay, guys, about movie, about genre, horror or romance, and why? Ayo. Obi, save Obi for the last. Ayo, the other friends first. Ayo, come on, decide Obi. Masa Obi aja sih yang ngomong dari tadi? So far we have Obi, Cahyani, Dinda, Dwi, Intan.
Miss mau nyoba, Miss.
Okay, finally. Ayo Gayatri.
Kalau saya prefernya romance because I like happy ending.
Romance, happy ending. Okay.
Iya.
Okay. I will take note for that, Gayatri ya. Romance, happy ending. Do you agree with that, Intan, or the others friends? Is romance always ending with happy ending? Siapa tahu kayak mellow romance? Belum tentu loh happy.
Ya nggak semua sih. Yang romance tuh happy ending.
As
kan
far
banyak film yang endingnya itu mellow gitu, Miss.
Mellow, yeah, that's why I mentioned about mellow romance. So, Gayatri, so is that mean that all of your romance movie, all of the romance movie that you watch have
Enggak, Miss. I don't watch a mellow romance, Miss.
Berarti okay. Gayatri mostly watch like the really romance yang unyu-unyu yang gitu ya. Okay. What is your
Saya suka nonton spoilernya dulu, Miss. Kalau dia happy ending, saya tonton. Kalau dia enggak, saya nggak mau nonton, Miss.
Nggak seru dong.
Seru kok, Miss.
Tim spoiler ya. Okay, Gayatri. How about the other friends? Any other version? For me, can I choose both? Dinda, ayo. What do you think?
Honestly speaking, I like romance with more anxiety scene or action.
Romance.
Because if we become the main character, we need to suffer first to go to finally apa namanya, kita punya happy ending gitu. Kita harus menderita.
Harus berjuang dulu ya, kayak harus. Okay, it's like the plot twist, like roller coaster or something.
Yes, roller coaster. I like roller coaster.
Oh, you like to see that process gitu ya. Jadi everyone has the process before meet or before have a happy ending. Itu poin maksudnya pesannya ya, pesan dari romance movie itu. Jadi kayak okay.
Ya, apalagi ada nanti pemeran utama kedua tuh, mantap tuh ceritanya.
Second lead-nya, okay. And sometimes second lead is more interesting than the main lead.
Yes,
I
agree with second lead syndrome.
Yeah, second lead syndrome. So nobody likes a horror movie here? Nobody?
Me, Miss.
Ratna, okay.
I think
Say something
I
then.
love romance. I love romance movie, but horror movie is more interesting. Like dapat tegangnya gitu loh, Miss.
Jump
Dapet
scare.
tegang. Ya. Meski kadang kayak nonton movie-nya itu lebih banyak tutup mata gitu sih, Miss. Tapi like feel-nya itu lebih menarik kalau nonton horror movie sih, Miss. Apalagi yang movie mau ongoing nih, KKN Desa Penari. Kayaknya bagus nih.
Oh ya, KKN Desa Penari.
Yep. I think I prefer horror movie, but I love romance movie too.
Me too, Ratna. Me too. So actually, if you ask me, I like both. So it depends on my mood, maybe I can say that. Depends
Yeah,
on
me
my
too.
mood. Yeah, so if I want to have a chill, terus kayak apa sih, kayak pengen santai-santai yang slow, just watching for relax, I will choose romance. Ya kan, jadi kayak cerita itu aman, mungkin ada konflik but not as scary as horror movie. Do you know thriller?
Yeah,
Iya.
Tahu, Miss.
Itu lebih mengerikan dari horror. I like that one actually. I really like it. Lebih jump scare. Lebih tegang. Okay, so any other opinion? Before we move to the next topic. And my battery is getting low, guys. Wait a moment, yeah. So, okay, let's continue. Let's move to the next topic then to make it more efficient. Please.
Miss.
Okay. Share your topic, please.
Why is K-pop so popular for people of all ages, Miss?
Cahyania. Oh, China sudah ya. So I just need to add. So your question is about K-pop. Why K-pop is getting more popular? Okay. So guys, share the opinion. Why?
I think because the visual, so mantap, Miss.
Okay. Okay. You
Visual, Miss.
can keep on talking. I'm listening. Yeah. I need to find a place to charge my laptop. Okay. Miss menyimak kok. Silakan. So share your opinion. Gayatri said because of the
Visual, Miss.
yeah,
Because the visual.
face, yeah, appearance. Yeah. How about the others? Ayo guys. Come on.
I think it's because the singer appearance.
Appearance, yeah, the singers,
The singers.
yeah, the boy band and the girl band. Do you mean?
Yeah.
Any other opinion? What about the quality of the song or the quality of their voice?
I think their voice is great, but I don't listen to K-pop.
Sorry, what is your last statement?
I don't listen to K-pop.
Oh, you don't really listen, but you think their voice is quite great. What about the other friends? Especially the one who are K-pop fans. Pasti ada dong. Gak mungkin nggak ada di sini. Ada. I know.
Intan.
Langsung di-mention dong. Intan, what is your opinion?
Karena personally I think because in di grup itu they have a unique voice.
Unique voice.
And one group it has many members with special position, like there are singer, rapper, something like that, Miss. Karena kan di Indonesia nggak semua di Indonesia sama boy group yang lain yang di luar negeri lain Korea gitu, Miss, nggak ada yang gimana ya, nggak semua boy groupnya tuh di dalamnya tuh ada campuran penyanyi sama rappernya gitu, Miss.
Oh,
ada kok yang punya banyak posisi kayak gitu, macam-macam. Ada Bali United, Real Madrid.
Nggak semua.
Really?
Ya nggak semua kan maksudnya. Yang pertama Intan kenal tuh Korea soalnya yang kayak gitu.
So,
ya poin utamanya karena ganteng juga, Miss. Poin utamanya tuh paling terpenting tampannya, Miss. Visualnya menarik, unik.
Oke. Iya. Sorry guys. Okay. And then any other opinion? So if I can conclude. Okay, check. Is my voice clear?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Okay,
Miss.
so if I can conclude Intan as a K-pop fans or maybe like fan girl, can I say fan girl?
Yes.
Yeah, fans
Yeah.
cewek kan fan girl namanya ya. Okay.
Yeah.
So she stated that there are many points which make K-pop getting more popular. For example, their role. Jadi kayak in one group, they have so many roles like main singer, main rapper, and then visual, and then dancer, and so on. Right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, and then beside that, K-pop also have more popular because of the visual. So can we say that all the K-pop band or girl band have good visual? Berarti harus good looking semua ya baru bisa masuk gitu ya. Boy band, girl band ya. What do you think? Harus good looking.
Menurut
Oke.
saya enggak sih, Miss. Ada yang enggak good looking tapi gayanya bagus, Miss.
Oh, stylenya. Oh, I
Ya,
guess
Fashionnya tuh bagus.
Gayatri also K-pop fans.
Enggak juga sih, Miss. Malah suka ngikutin juga.
Okay. Anyway, I have a question about this topic actually. Since Intan say they have special and unique rules, gitu kan? Don't you confuse or don't you? Sorry. How can you remember all the members? For example, nih, as I know, there are a group that have so many members. Like, sorry ya, I need to mention the name. Kayak NCT bla bla bla. Jadi kayak ada NCT 127, ada NCT Dream, ada NCT bla bla bla. Itu banyak banget kan membernya. How can you remember, guys? Tan. How can you remember the members?
Can I answer?
Sebenarnya saya bukan fan girl NCT sih,
Ya,
tapi
Okay.
tapi gini, Miss, kan kita kan kepo gitu, Miss, ya, awal-awal tuh siapa sih ini, kok rame banget anggotanya kan gitu, Miss. Terus makin hari itu kita pasti kepo, Intan tuh kepo, lihat satu-satu namanya siapa, terus nonton videonya. Jadi lama-kelamaan kalau sering pasti bisa bedain kayak gitu, Miss.
Oh, so
Di awal-awal emang bingung, Miss. Di awal-awal tuh emang bingung. Tapi kalau sering ngeliat videonya, sering ngeliat mukanya, pasti bisa bedain gitu, Miss.
Okay. I think that's happened with my sister. Actually, my sister also one of the girl fan. Yeah. So I asked her, how can you remember all the members? Jadi ya, it's quite similar with Intan. So like following and then join the community, and then by watching the video, the music video, so they can recognize by the time goes. Okay, then tak kenal maka tak sayang gitu mungkin istilahnya ya.
Tapi banyak juga, Miss, yang bilang kalau lebih gampang inget wajah orang tampan memang, Miss.
Ya, can be. Good point, Gayatri. Good point. By the way, I'm doing nomaden today, guys. Jadi Miss pindah dari satu meja ke meja yang lain. Aduh, rempong kali. Okay, so any other opinion about K-pop?
Can I try, Miss?
Oh, okay, sure.
What the question?
Sorry, about K-pop. We still talk about K-pop.
Yeah. Yeah, about K-pop. What the
Yeah,
question?
Sorry, what do you say?
What the question?
What's the question? Oh, why
Yeah.
K-pop become more popular? Kenapa K-pop itu semakin populer?
Really? I don't
Really?
think so. I mean,
okay.
I mean, maybe they are famous only among their fans. Like, I don't listen to them, so I don't really care about them.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Dwi opinion. So Dwi thinks that, oh yeah, really? Is that popular? Because maybe that's back to our taste ya. Jadi balik ke selera teman-teman masing-masing. Ya kan? Jadi kalau memang yang suka K-pop yang ngerasa K-pop itu populer. Kalau yang nggak ngikutin sama sekali, oh ya udah, I don't really care with that one. What is K-pop? You don't even know what is K-pop gitu misalnya. Apaan K-pop gitu kan? Or maybe some of the people put like let's say negative. Okay. Check, is my voice clear?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because the signal is unstable here, so I'll try my best. So what is it just now? Some of the people put the negative view or negative stigma to K-pop or even K-pop fans. Jadi pastikan ada pro dan kontranya gitu.
Enggak sih, Miss.
Ya,
Bukan
misalnya
negatif
kadang
gitu.
ada aja yang rese, Miss.
Lebih
Ya,
ke
lebih ke gimana?
Ya, bukan negatif sih, lebih ke mereka itu terkenal di circle mereka aja gitu. Maksudnya yang lain yang nggak tahu kayak nggak dihitung gitu.
Oke, got it. Oke, thank you Dwi for your opinion.
Kadang juga nggak nyambung aja gitu, Miss. Masa Piala Dunia lagunya K-pop gitu.
Really? Yang mana?
Kan
Piala
nggak
Dunia.
vibing
Euro.
bareng. Kayak Euro, Miss, waktu Euro kayak fans-fansnya K-pop itu kayak nge-broadcasting gitu loh, Miss, untuk nge-vote lagu mereka biar diputar di Euro. Padahal sebenarnya kan kalau misalnya kayak gitu kan Euro gitu loh, vibes-nya nggak banget deh. Terus waktu udah diputar ternyata bukan dijadiin anthem, cuman diputar doang di stadium, terus pada protes dong fansnya. Kok nggak dijadiin anthem, kok cuman diputar di stadion doang gitu, kayak iya, masa kayak gitu dijadiin anthem?
They are getting disappointed ya. Okay. Yeah. So that's their way to show that how much they love K-pop gitu misalnya kan. They really like to use it. But unfortunately that's not match with the concept ya, which is Europe gitu kan, Euro Cup.
That's the point, Miss.
Yeah. Not all situation and not all the context can be matched by K-pop gitu misalnya kan. Tapi ya cukup disayangkan sih kalau memang ada yang kayak gitu. Okay. Let's move to so far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. Ayo yang lain dong yang belum dapat ngomong. Let's open 2 more topics. Lagi 2 topik aja ya. So far we have fast food and then egg or chicken tapi masih di keep, and then movie and K-pop. We are looking for the new topic, please. Come on. Before this class is really end low. Should I choose? Oke deh. Lia? Melanie?
Yes.
Okay, who will go first? Melanie then. Okay, Melanie. Time is yours.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
What do you think tomatoes are a fruit or vegetable?
Oh, another confusing question. Tomato. I have the answer actually.
It's easier, Miss.
Yeah, I have
Tomato
the answer.
is a fruit or vegetable is easy. I have the answer, Miss.
Okay, what do you think, Obi?
Botanically, tomato is a fruit. It's not vegetables. It is because tomatoes have seeds inside, and it grows from the flower. It's just like other fruits. So, in conclusion, botanically, tomato is a fruit.
Tomat itu buah gitu berarti?
Yes.
Anyone agree with Obi?
agree, Miss.
If you agree, oh, Priska agree. Why? Do you want to add more information to support Obi's opinion? Obi explained something that really, really scientific, yang sangat ilmiah banget gitu. Based on the science, dia tergolong ini karena ini dan ini. So, what do you think, Priska?
Same, Miss. Saya juga kasih tahu kayak gitu sama bapak saya. Pernah dikasih tahu.
Okay. So, anyone don't
Makasih Bapaknya
agree?
Priska.
Anyone don't agree with this statement? Berarti tomat itu, oh, okay. How about you, Melanie? What do you think? I need to ask the one who asked, right? Kalau menurut Melanie sendiri gimana? What do you think? What is your opinion?
Buah sih, Miss.
Buah sih. Sudah tahu jawabannya ya, buah sih. Tapi if I'm not mistaken, tomat itu dibilang sayuran buah. Sayuran buah.
It is called like that because some people mispresent tomato as vegetables. But the main reason why tomato isn't vegetable is because tomato have seeds and it is grown from the flower, while vegetables is usually the part of the leaf or apa sih itu namanya, batang, like that.
Oh, the one that
Like vegetables is a part of stems, like roots or leaf, or also the flower. If they are used for cooking, it will be called vegetables. But if it is like grown from the flowers and it has seeds inside, it will be called fruits.
Fruits, berarti buah tomat.
Buah tomat.
Tomato is a fruit. Okay, then I will not make it longer, yeah. So I will just accept and what is that? Collect of your answers. Yeah. Once again, no right, no wrong. Yeah. But I do agree with you guys. Tomat itu buah. Okay. Tomato is a fruit. Okay. The last, please. The last topic before we end this session.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Leah then.
Often take a bath at night. Is it dangerous?
Take a bath at night. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Good question. Good topic. Okay, everyone, come on. Let's share our opinion.
I have more scientific opinion again, Miss.
Can you keep it first?
Okay, I'll save it for the last, ya.
Yeah. Obi for the last. Gayatri, you wanna say something?
I think nggak tahu sih salah nggak tahu sih bahaya atau nggak Miss,
It's
tapi
okay, it's okay.
feel-nya lebih fresh sih Miss. Miss kan mandi
feels more
tidur,
fresh.
feels-nya more fresh.
Okay. Thank you, Gayatri. What about others? Budian Pari, maybe? What do you think? Oh, Nanda. Okay. Wanna say something, Nanda? Sorry.
I think taking a bath at night is dangerous.
Dangerous. Why?
Because I actually karena saya sering mandi malam, Miss. Jadi
So,
saya
do
merasakan
you have
efeknya.
any experience about that? What do you feel, or what is the effect that you got?
Jadi beberapa saat setelah, bukan sih, beberapa hari setelah saya mandi malam itu sering kayak lebih gampang kesemutan, atau apalagi kan kalau mandi malam jadi lebih segar gitu. Jadi malamnya itu susah tidur.
Oh,
Susah
because you
tidurnya
feel
itu yang
fresh,
bahaya.
but unfortunately you cannot sleep directly
Yeah.
because you like stay on.
Hmm.
Gitu katanya guys. Based on Nanda's experience. What about the others?
I think dangerous, Miss.
Dangerous. Why, Maharani?
Because my parents pernah bilang, wah, mandi malam itu bikin sakit tulang.
Sakit tulang, or we can say rheumatic. Is it?
Yes.
Yes, ada yang open tentang rematik. Masuk nih.
Okay. What about the others? So two people said that dangerous, and then one person explained why they like to take a bath at night before sleep because it feel more fresh before sleep. Lebih seger gitu mau tidur ya. Nggak apa sih, nggak how to say, nggak keringetan, right? Kayak ya udah bersih gitu, sebelum tidur harus bersih. Any other opinion? Before we give the chance to our expertise, Bapak Obi. Oke, ayo. One more opinion maybe?
Oleh saya, Miss.
Oke, Tata. Good.
Kayaknya kalau mandi malam itu nggak berbahaya kalau misalnya airnya itu nggak dingin-dingin banget. Terus kayak kalau habis mandi itu jangan kena angin gitu. Biar nggak masuk angin atau penyakit lainnya gitu. Menurut saya mandi malam itu nggak berbahaya. Teman-temannya yang berbahaya.
Kalau mandi malam sama teman-teman bahaya gitu berarti?
Sorry.
Ya bahaya lah, anjir.
Oh, okay. Noted.
Okay, so guys, we got another point of view from Papa just now. It's not dangerous actually, Miss. It's not dangerous. As well as we don't use really cold water. So should we use warm water then to take a bath at night? Haruskah kita pakai air hangat? Ya, Miss. Sorry? Enggak juga. Berarti nggak apa-apa pakai air dingin. And then what is it just now? And we don't it's better to avoid for the cold. Jangan sampai kedinginan atau kena angin. Aman dah. Gitu kata Tata. Do you agree with Tata?
Ya, saya setuju sama Tatang.
Agree. Okay. So, let's ask Obi.
Let's go for the scientific opinions. So, taking a bath at night is not dangerous. Why? Because many people think that taking a bath at night will cause rheumatic, like what it was said by Maharani. But actually, rheumatic is an autoimmune disease. So the body's immune system is striking back to our own body, like to our joints, sendi, to our muscles, otot, to our bones, di tulang kita, and many other organs. Why people actually feel rheumatic while taking bath at night is actually because they already have rheumatic. It is not caused by the taking bath at night, but they already have that disease inside them. And taking a bath with cold water at night will getting the rheumatic worse. It's because the water temperature and also the temperature at night is cold, so it is affecting the apa sih namanya syaraf and also the synovial fluid between our joints. So our joints will feel like hurts and also hard to move. But actually, taking a bath at night with warm water having a lot of advantages. So like even for those who is rheumatic, taking a bath at night with warm water is good. So it can like make the pain feel better. Like also before people do some surgery, they are also must take a bath at night with also using antiseptic soap. So it is actually needed before they are having a surgery. Also, taking a bath at night with warm water have a lot more advantages, such as cleaning ourselves after all of our activity. It also make our blood pressure become better. It also relieve stress, and it makes our muscle feel better. So menghilangkan ketegangan otot. So with that, we can feel better to do the activity tomorrow morning. And also, this method is also good for having a better quality of sleep. So it is not correct if you say that taking a bath at night will cause you cannot sleep or something like that. It actually will make your sleep quality better. And all of my opinion is based from Allo Doctor. And I have the link also if somebody is not believing me. That's it.
Okay, give applause for OP. That's really complete, detailed explanation. Yeah. I do agree with OP. I do agree with you because previously I have read some medical articles. Memang ada artikelnya yang menyebutkan seperti itu. So, but I just got a new information from OB that before the surgery. Jadi sebelum operasi ternyata memang direkomendasikan ya. Itu yang baru sih yang kayaknya Miss belum baca deh tentang itu. I need to read that one. Okay. So most of the information is just right because it's proved by medically and scientific approach. Memang sudah terbukti secara ilmiah. Jadi rematik itu bukan disebabkan gitu ya. Please keep it in your mind ya. Mungkin yang menyebabkan teman-teman atau orang tua teman-teman dan orang tua Miss juga merasakan side effect of taking a bath at night because we already have the symptoms. Kita sudah punya sebenarnya gejala atau bahkan penyakit itu sendiri kayak rematik itu kan memang jarang sih disebabkan oleh ini ya apa namanya faktor luar itu jarang. Sama dengan asam urat, gitu asam urat.
Yes.
Iya, asam urat itu bukan asam urat itu penyebab. Salah satu penyebabnya itu ya pola makan gitu. Bukan makanannya yang disalahin tapi pola kita mengkonsumsi itu gitu kayak terlalu banyak gini dan juga kayak how do we keep our body healthy kayak gitu. Jadi kayak di masa mudanya kayak jarang olahraga atau suka makan yang kolesterol atau gimana bisa menyebabkan penyakit apa something like that. Okay, so wow.
I actually did this research before this time because I ever debate this with my mom. So when I came back late after futsal, I was taking a bath and then my mom said like, don't take a bath at night because it might cause rheumatic. And then I do some research and then I debated in the morning.
Yeah,
it was
to
fun.
prove it. Yeah, to prove it. So yeah. Thank you, Opi. That's good. I've done as well with my parents actually. That's why I train myself to keep on reading for a particular topic and or like happening things that happen in my surrounding, in my circle. Ya, jadi kayak don't just accept. Ya, the point is don't just accept the opinion, but we have to prove it even that's right or wrong. Ya, kalau kita mau beropini kita harus kasih bukti. Okay. Wow. Thank you so much guys. That's I didn't expect we can have this interesting and also informative session. Yeah, especially for Obi. Thank you so much, and also for the other friends, Intan also, and then Nanda just now, and then we still have homework, yeah, egg or chicken. Okay, so for the one who didn't get chance to answer or give opinion this time, I still
egg or
need
chicken.
Stop. Don't be a spoiler, Obi. Okay, so yeah. Egg or
Scientific
chicken.
lagi.
Not yet. Yeah. Okay. So I still need your opinion in WhatsApp group. Yeah. Egg or chicken. Yeah. It's
Yang
not,
udah nggak usah berarti Miss ya?
nggak usah. Nanti.
Yes.
Yang udah
Turu.
nanti aja. Turu. Wait.
Nonton Jujutsu dulu.
Okay. Yeah. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 informant. Yeah, I will say you are informant. Okay, so thank you so much for the 11 students for this session. Yeah, for the rest, egg or chicken. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for today. Yeah, do you have any question before we end this session? Any question or any opinion or any disagreement?
Miss, berarti nggak ada tugas video gitu kan, Miss ya?
No. Yeah, dalam hati juga happy.
Yes.
Wow, it's nice to see your face. I've seen earlier actually, but finally I can see all of your face. Okay, get ready. Okay, get ready ya. Touch up. Okay, the first slide. I don't know where you are, but yeah, I just do capture it. Okay, I'm gonna do it 3 times. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3. I think I need to open my mask. Okay, the next slide. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait a moment. Okay, the last one ya. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Before we really end this class, you want to say something? Feedback ya, remember please. Do remember the feedback. For the rest.
Sudah, Miss.
Yes, Obi, I brief you. Thank you so much. Any question? Any opinion?
Miss Intan mau nangis lagi, Miss.
Janganlah, no. Okay, then if there is nothing to say, nothing more to say, let's end the session. And I wish you have a good day. Please take care, ya, take care. And then I want to say selamat merayakan Idul Fitri bagi teman-teman yang merayakan, ya. Minal aidin wal faizin, mohon maaf lahir batin, gitu ya katanya. So yeah, I hope you have a great 8th holiday. Selamat libur juga teman-teman. 1 minggu ya. 1 minggu. So I hope you enjoy your holiday and see you soon. See you when I see you.
Thank you, Miss. See you.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.